Do you want to start your own multi-brand service center in your city but just don't know where to start? Do you also think that you don't have enough technical knowledge to help you get started in building your own service center business? Do you also lack the basic fundamental knowledge about this business to be able to take the right decisions? Do you also think that there is great potential in the multi-brand two-wheeler service center business but just don't know how to go about it and use this opportunity? And have you also approached other people who are in this industry but have been refused help because they're just too busy or just don't want to help you? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then you should attend my 3-hour multi-brand two-wheeler service center masterclass, which is going to tell you and reveal all the secrets that you need to know about this business. And by the end of the masterclass, I guarantee you that you will have a clear pathway and strategy towards building your own workshop in your own city. Hi, my name is Prateek and I'm the co-founder of Service Plus Academy, and I've been building multi-brand two-wheeler service centers across India for the past decade. From a humble 200 square feet workshop to building multiple outlets across the country, I have cracked the code to be able to build, scale and operate profitable service centers across India with the help of technology and training. In this masterclass, I will teach you the essential fundamentals of the workshop business that you need to know before even you get started. I'll talk about the various revenue generation sources that you can create within this business that will help you scale your business continuously over the years to come. We'll also discuss my secrets and the best practices guide towards building the ultimate and the most professional workshop layout plan for your workshop. I'll also discuss the techniques and methods that I use for scouting, training and retaining manpower for our outlets. And not only we will learn about how to scout the best location for your business, but we'll also be discussing about calculating our investments, ROIs and profitability plan, which is very essential in this kind of a business. And last but not the least, I will also be discussing some viral marketing strategies that will guarantee you customers coming to your workshop right from day one onwards. So what exactly are you waiting for? I am giving away all of this knowledge in my masterclass, and it is the right time for you to register for this masterclass now, as the seats are just filling up fast. It's time to turn your passion into your profession. Sign up for the masterclass and see you inside.